Shitting you, this literally like took me like 30 seconds. Literally found the thread, and just slowly fed her on. And now you get some beautiful freewheel. Now she can scream at her own leisure. Now I can turn her, get her going. Now she's on now. Look at that. Perfect. No complaints. I literally just screw it on there. My hands just kind of back it in there slowly to match it up with threads. And then here she is. Got all greasy and soaked. My hands already constantly. And it came shit like this. Like, you already, if you know, you know. So my fellow dudes out there, you know.